In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TV volume keeps going up and down by itself. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your TV volume is changing by itself, it's usually caused by smart audio features trying to normalize sound or a hardware glitch known as ghosting. So what you want to do is disable intelligent mode or auto volume. So if you're on something like, just any sort of recently updated TV, go over to settings. And then what I want to do is I'm just going to go over to all settings. Once I'm in all settings, go over to general, and then you're going to see intelligent mode settings. If this is enabled, you basically just want to make sure that this is disabled, because when it's enabled, as you can see, one of the options is adaptive sound. So if it keeps going up and down non-stop, all you want to do is just make sure that this is turned off. Once you turn it off, basically it's not going to go up or down, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.